weight coming out there to the west coast from the Buckeye. Hey, bad boy, how does he look like with a little bit of weight on his back coming from Cincinnati away to the dive? Bad boy, you know who? Bad boy, I'm walking and I'm talking and I'm moving on. Hey, bad boy, you got it right. 44, 44. Hey, bad boy, you had it all right in your radio. You said it just like I said it. Oh, look right there, bad boy. California. The 44, the 44, the 44, the 44. Go! Hey, Roger, I got a copy on you.
Yeah, I just figured I'd step in it every once in a while and see if it got any better.
Hey, bad boy, that's just no losing our high pitches there. Hey, bad boy, but I can bring it right back up. Look right there, bad boy. I can work my voice however I want. Oh, bad boy, look right there. We hit the Buckeyes. Go! Hey, Roger on that. Okie dokie, right? Broadcasting and looking all around and waving our hands and playing the game. Hey, bad boy, you know it's all about having fun and playing the game on 27.025. But hey, at the end, hey, bad boy. Buy you a Louisiana's on the mail. 235, 135, most people. Hello out there, tree climber or DeerSlayer? 135, Razorback. Hey, Skippy, I said bye, Skippy, 135, Mobile, Razorback, get on down. Yeah, bad boy's got a big old hammer in my radio, but I hear you out there, tree climber. Top of the weekend. Hope to see you around Manchester this year again, buddy, no doubt. Take care, DeerSlayer on Lake Okeechobee. I appreciate the flowing in, Skippy. Hey, Skippy, something real good. Bye, bad boy. It's always a pleasure to have me talk with the big brothers out there who like to have fun also on the radio. Don't think anything personal, especially when they get dropped in their head. Hey, bad boy, it's all about fun and getting along and broadcasting and talking all around the world and sometimes shaking each other's hands. Hey, bad boy, that's all I'm out here to do is drop a hammer down and have fun coming out of Cincinnati away to the dive and keep us on the map. So they always look around the Buckeye, wondering if the Buckeyes stayed, if they're in there listening. Oh, bad boy, I'm moving on and getting out of the way. God grace, we're up at the end, around your place, to each and every one around the band. Oh, 88 said y'all shall prosper in the years to come. Well, I'm going to walk on out and get on out of the way and scan the band. You all have a good day. God grace. In your place, 88, the Buckeye, the long-winded duck plucker. The long-winded hillbilly duck plucker, walking with no shoes on, and I'm gone.
No rain, no strain. This kid's kind of rough. Hello, Skippy, if you still got a copy. 710 Northeast Arkansas is gone.